Welcome. In this video, I'll tell you how to use the OctaFX copy trading app. Let's begin. First, download the OctaFX application from the Play Store if you're using Android. After installing, launch the app. If you already have an OctaFX account, log in using your email and password or sign in with Google or Facebook. If you're new to OctaFX, tap on Sign Up. Fill out the short form or sign up using Google or Facebook. Confirm that you are not a US citizen, resident, or taxpayer in order to proceed. To start copying trades, you'll need to add funds to your wallet. You can either deposit directly or transfer funds from your OctaFX trading account. All transfers are commission-free. To subscribe to a master trader, open the left-hand menu, go to Copier area, then select Master Trader's Rating. You can also tap the middle icon at the bottom of the screen. This section lists master traders by their risk score. Higher scores indicate riskier strategies. You can use the filter at the top to sort by gain or popularity. Tap the settings icon for more filters. Select a master trader to see detailed stats like risk score, gain, profit and loss, number of copiers, commission, and trade history. When ready, tap Setup Copying. Choose your investment amount and copy volume. Press Start Copying to invest. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.